how to install Zoom Cloud Meeting app on macOS. First, go to this website. Click Download. Open the file called Zoom PKG Form Download folder. Click Continue. Click Continue again. Click Install. Enter your password, then click Install Software. Click Close and click Move to Bin.
It's done. It's very easy to do that.
I will tell you how to use this app in next video.
I hope this video can help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.